Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn about Chapter 3 Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. This chapter will help you to trace the rise of Hitler and the spread of Nazism in Germany. Main aim is to know about the causes of birth of Weimar Republic, what was the effect of war on Germany, what about the effect of economic crisis in Germany, and the rise of what were the factors which are responsible for the rise of Hitler in the Germany. So very first let's start with the birth of Weimar Republic. Germany made initial gains by occupying the France and Belgium. But with the Treaty of US in 1917, the Allies gained strength and as a result Germany was defeated in November 1918. After the defeat, the Emperor of the Germany ran away. This gave an opportunity to the parliamentary parties to recast the German politics. A national assembly met at the Weimar and established a democratic constitution with a federal structure. Students, this republic, however, was not received well by its own people because it accepted the Versailles Treaty after Germany's defeat at the end of First World War. Students, the peace treaty at Versailles was harsh and humiliating. Germany lost its overseas colonies, 13% of its territories, 75% of its iron and 26% of its coals to the France, Poland, Denmark. Germany was also forced to pay the compensation of 6 billion. Many Germans held Weimar Republic responsible for the defeat in the war and discredit as at Versailles. Now we will learn about what was the effect of the war on Germany. From the continent of creditor, Europe returned into continent of debtors. In European society, soldiers came to be placed over the civilians and were respected. Aggressive war propaganda and national honor occupied the center stage in the public sphere where the popular support grew for conservative dictatorship and democracy took a back seat. Students, the whole European continent was badly hit, but the most severe was the newly formed Weimar Republic, as it was held responsible for the war. The Republic carried the burden of war guilt and national humiliation and was financially crippled by being forced to pay the compensation. And those who supported the Weimar Republic, mainly socialists, Catholics, and Democrats, were called the November criminals. Now let's learn about the economic crisis in Germany. The Weimar Republic was opposed from within the country and revolution were held throughout the country. The Weimar Republic, which was formed by the Socialists, Democratic and Catholics, crushed the revolution with the help of war veteran organization called the Free Corps. Students, on the economic front also, the situation in Germany was grim and country faced economic crisis in 1923. As the value of mark collapsed, prices of the goods went extremely high. This crisis came to be known as hyperinflation. The Americans rescued the Germany by introducing the Davis plans and bailed them out of the financial burden. The Wall Street Exchange of US crashed in 1929 and because of this the prices falls and 13 million shares were sold and marked the onset of the Great Economic Depression. Between 1929 to 1932, the national income of US fell by half, factories were shut down, export fell, farmers were badly hit, and the effect of recession in US economy was felt worldwide. But students, you know that German economy was the worst hit because Americans stopped helping the German at this time. By 1932, industrial production in Germany was reduced to 40%. Workers lost their jobs or were paid reduced wages. Number of unemployment increased. Job disappeared. The youth took the criminal activities. Small businessmen, self-employed retailers suffered as their business get ruined. Moreover, Article 48 of the Constitution was another reason of instability. The article gave the president the power to impose the emergency, suspend civil rights. Now we will learn that how Hitler rise to the power. During the First World War, students, Hitler was in army, acted as a messenger, and earned medal for bravery also. But he was unhappy with the defeat of Germany in the First World War and the Treaty of Versailles. In 1919, he joined a small group called German Worker Party and renamed it as a National Socialist German Workers' Party, which came to known as a Nazi Party. The Nazis were not able to mobilize popular support up to 1930, but in 1930, under the shadow of Great Depression, they were able to have the hopes of better future, and Nazism became the mass movement. Hitler promised to build a strong nation, undo the injustice of Versailles Treaty, and restore the dignity of German people. He promised employment and secure the future to the youth. He also promised to eliminate the foreign influences and to resist all the foreign conspiracies against Germany. Massive rallies and public meetings were organized to demonstrate the support for Hitler. The red banners with the swastika, the Nazi salute, and many rounds of applause after the speeches were all the part of Hitler's intention to exhibit his power. He portrayed himself as Messiah and Savior who has a right to deliver people from their distress. All this helped him to gain the popularity among the German people whose sense of dignity had been shattered and were living in a time of acute economic and political crisis. So, students, in this video, you learn about that during the end of the First World War, the Weimar Republic has to pay many of the compensation and have to uh, do the Versailles of Treaty also. And what was the effect of First World War in Germany? That was not very good. And because of economic crisis in Germany in early years, American helped them. But after 1929 to 1930, also Germany was not given any help by the American government because American government itself were facing the recession. And because of this economic crisis in the Germany, it led to the Hitler rose to the power. People start believing him as a messiah, and he promised people that he will give the job and they will free from the humiliating policy of Versailles once if he elected. And this happened so. Thank you.